Hello people, Igbo ndị ọma, ekene m unu. Chetakwa na mụnwa na-ewetara unu akụkọ gbasara omenala Igbo na channel ma. Yes, today we'll be looking at palm wine. What are the importance of palm wine in Igbo land? Basically, there are two variants of palm wine, okay? One is mmanya ngwo and the other is mmanya nkwụ. Mmanya nkwụ comes from palm tree, while the mmanya ngwo comes from raffia palm. Different communities in Igbo land prefer one to the other, while some is basically because of the one that is accessible to them. Like where I'm from, okay, I'm from Uboya, Ayazumbise in Imo State. In my place, ngwo is more accessible to us than nkwo. Okay? Now, you need to know the major difference between the two wines. Mmanya ngwo is always very sweet when it's freshly tapped, and it doesn't take long before it ferments and goes sour. While nkwo or mmanya nkwụ is usually very sweet, lasts longer, has a longer duration of sweetness, and yeah, I think a whole lot of people, if they have the two wines, they will prefer nkwo. Okay, now that's the major difference between the two wines. Then they are used, or mmanya generally is used for different ceremonies. If it's maybe chieftaincy title, burial, wedding, maybe during land dispute settlement occasion, and different other occasions. Okay, mmanya has to be available. Normally, that is our drink before the white men introduced their type of drink. Okay, so that is still very much embedded in our culture. That is actually our original drink, and it's still our drink in every occasion or gathering we are having in Igbo land. Mmanya has to be present. Do you understand? Assuming in an occasion whereby mmanya is present and is to be served, after it's prayed for and there are title men around, okay, the youngest man in that gathering normally shares the wine. He first of all gives to the titled men. They normally use elephant husk or cow horn or nkuku or ukuku, according to some other dialects. Yes, ejenyegodu ụzọ nye ndị echiri echichi. Enyecha ndị echiri echichi, abịanye ụmụ nwoke ndị ọzọ tutu abịanye ụmụ nwanyị. Ụmụ nwoke ndị ọzọ nwere ike iji nkuku ha n'aka ma ọ iko ha n'aka awụnyere ha mmanya, mana nwanyị enweghị ike iji ikuku n'aka awụnyere mmanya. Mba, nwoke ga-ejide nkuku, onye na-enye mmanya ga-ewere nkuku n'aka wenyecha mmanya tutu yenye nwanyị, and that woman cannot drink it among the men there. If she has to take it there, she has to squat down, or she goes to find a seat and sit down. Meanwhile, before the drink is served, the first cup is normally given to the host of that occasion. When the host is given, the next one is being taken by the person serving the drink. Then the third cup is usually given to the eldest person, the eldest man around, before they give to the titled men and older men. Okay, now mmanya is very important in Igbo land because that is our major drink before beer, a soft drink, gin was introduced into Igbo land by the white men. Like I said before, mmanya is very important in Igbo land. We cannot do without it. Okay, so till I bring you next topic in Omenala Igbo. Please remember to like my page, like my channel, and subscribe to it. Please, I bring you greetings from the Igbo land. Divanye Udo Dirunu.